will talk about how can you fix this problem or know how you can do that on your then the main app. So all you have to do, so you just click here on settings here. When just click here on settings here, it's going to show for you list like this here. Then you go down, just keep going down here, click here on apps. So then you come to apps this here, and there you're looking for then the main app, or just click on search here. So then here add or just add here then the main, it's going to show for you like this, click on it. So then it's going to take you to this list here. Click here on full stop, click here on OK. Then you go down, just click here on storage. Come to storage this here, just click on clear cache. Then all you have to do, just restart your phone, install it again, then it's going to work with you. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking and subscribe.